Hi, in this video we're going to look at taking a cone-based cylindrical tank of fluid with a tube coming out and how that can be meshed for good CFD simulations. And one of the key steps is to slice this up into 4 pieces for modeling, and there's rest of the tank that's not shown. One of the first slices is called a slice by edge loop, and at the beginning that is the loop around the tube, and it slices it off the conical base, and then there's another slice right through the center of the tube. So that prep work lets us in meshing go in and have these 4 bodies and put quite a nice mesh on it. The mesh has face meshing on these faces, body sizing, which is on 4 bodies defined at this coordinate system, and that body sizing has a radius of 12 and an element size of 0.35. There's an inflation layer on the both base faces of the conical surface, and then if we hide the 2 bodies below here, we can look at the sweep method, which includes a bias on the elements along the length of the sweep, and it has inflation on the bottom faces, with the boundary being the 2 edges, and there is an edge sizing that is around that. So all of those together make for a mesh that has good inflation. And if we look at all bodies, we can see that there's a nice graduation from the small elements at the tube to the larger elements in the rest of the tank. And there's an inflation layer on the base face of the tank. So if we go back to geometry and hide a couple of bodies, we can see the center plane through the tube and see that it's got a rather nice transition from large elements to small elements on the wall, and this could be a good CFD mesh. Thanks. Bye.